Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to transfer Amex points to Marriott Bonvoy. So as you can see, this is the official website of americanexpress.com. So I'll show you the complete guide on how you can do it. So first of all, just open up your browser in your PC or laptop, and once you're on your browser, just go to Google and search here transfer Amex points to Marriott Bonvoy. So make sure to enter this text called transfer Amex points to Marriott Bonvoy. And once you write down this text on the Google, you will be seeing the first page of Marriott Bonvoy, Marriott Bonvoy transfer points. So as you can see, this is the official website of American Express. This is the same website, and once we search this on Google, so we will be redirected to the direct page on like this where we can transfer the points. So just right click on this page and open this page in a new tab, or you can just directly open it from that page and you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, rewards, travel, hotel partners and product. And from here we are able to see like Marriott Bonvoy, and from here first step is just account info. Please log in to view your added partner account. So first of all, your first step must be logged in with your account, and once you log in with your account, after that membership reward points, like 2 membership reward points are equal to 3 Marriott points, and estimated transfer time up to 1 business day, and minimum transfer of amount like 400 points. So you can read all these details and instructions, and after that transfer amount, a minimum of 400 points is required to transfer to this partner, and the transfer amount must be increment of 400. How many points would you like to transfer? So just enter the amount of transfer once you are logged in with your account. So enter the amount of like points which you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 400, and once you click on it, just click on transfer my points. And once you click on transfer my points, you are logged in with your account. So you're like within 1 business day your points will be transferred, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can transfer Amex points to Marriott Bonvoy.